Welcome. In this video, we will discuss chemical handling and the hazards and safety requirements for dealing with chemicals in the workplace. The information in this presentation is designed for a general introduction to chemical hazards. Laws and regulations are applied separately for different jurisdictions. You should make sure you read product labels and chemical safety data sheets before handling any products. The information contained in this video is provided for general purposes only. The supplier of this video takes no responsibility for any actions based on this communication. Product and location-specific training is the responsibility of your employer. Hospitality workplaces commonly use chemicals such as detergents, sanitizers and disinfectants, degreasers, oven and grill cleaners, and floor cleaners. Many of these products are classified as hazardous chemicals under the globally harmonized system. Hazardous chemicals may cause skin or eye burns, irritate the respiratory system, produce dangerous vapors, cause injury or fatality if swallowed. Even familiar products can be dangerous if used incorrectly. If you are unsure of any directions, seek further advice before use. Chemicals must always be used according to the manufacturer's instructions. Safe handling requirements include never mixing chemicals together, using correct dilution ratios, using approved dispensing or dosing systems where provided, avoiding splashing, spraying, or inhaling chemical mist, keeping chemicals away from food, utensils, and food preparation areas. Risk control measures should be considered and applied specifically for your workplace. Mixing or misusing chemicals can cause toxic reactions or serious injury, which can even be fatal. Correct storage is essential for chemical safety. Under WHS requirements, chemicals must be stored in their original containers where possible, be clearly labeled with lids securely fastened, kept away from food, drinks, and food preparation areas, stored in designated cupboards or rooms, kept secure and out of public access. Chemicals must never be stored in drink bottles, food containers, or unlabeled packaging. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is used to minimize exposure to hazardous chemicals. Common PPE in hospitality workplaces includes chemical-resistant gloves, safety glasses or goggles, aprons, face shields, and enclosed slip-resistant footwear. If PPE is damaged or unavailable, do not proceed with the task. The required PPE will be specified on the chemical label and safety data sheet as well as workplace procedures. In the event of chemical exposure, immediate action is required. Always read the SDS before handling a chemical and make sure you are familiar with the requirements for first aid before starting work. All workers must know the location of first aid kits, eye wash stations, emergency contact information, and SDS location. General first aid steps frequently include stopping work immediately. For skin or eye exposure, flushing affected skin or eyes with clean running water. For respiratory exposure, removing the victim to fresh air, reporting the incident to a supervisor, seeking urgent medical assistance or contact poisons line if required. Chemical spills must be managed safely. If a spill occurs, isolate the area. Wear appropriate PPE. Use a spill kit if available. Dispose of waste according to workplace procedures. Report the incident. Do not attempt to clean spills you are not trained to handle. In conclusion, safe chemical handling is essential in the hospitality industry. By following correct procedures for workplace compliance, workers have a duty to follow safety procedures, use chemicals as instructed, wear required PPE, report hazards, incidents, or damaged equipment. Ask questions if unsure. If something does not seem safe, stop work and report it. We protect ourselves, our customers, and our workplace. Safety is a shared responsibility.